Dear students, today I am going to explain estimation of septic tank. So here is the problem. Prepare a detailed estimate and abstract estimate of a septic tank as shown in figure as per given details below. So here earthwork in excavation in hard gravelly soil at rupees 52 per meter cube. Second one, foundation bed concrete and floor concrete with the cement concrete 1:3:6 at rupees 2200 per cubic meter. Third one, roof covering slab and baffle wall with precast RCC slab 1:2:4 at rupees 220 square meter per square meter. And fourth one, first class brick masonry in CM 1:4 at rupees 1700 per cubic meter. Fifth one, plastering with CM 1:4 for inside with waterproof compound at rupees 75 per meter square. Sixth one, 20 mm cement plaster for flooring in CM 1:3 at rupees 90 per meter square. Seventh one, 100 mm dia SW pipe and T for inlet and outlet at rupees 30 each. Eighth one, 50 mm dia CI vent pipe with cowl for 2 meter height at rupees 130 each. Tenth one, the ninth one, iron foot step of 16 mm dia bars at rupees 10 each. Here is the sectional elevation. So here we can see the foundation and masonry wall and RCC roof slab, cowl, inlet pipe, outlet pipe, baffle wall, sloping floor, etc. And similarly we can see the plan. Okay, here is the longer direction 2 meter and shorter direction 0.9 meter. Here is the first step, second step, and here is the foundation. Okay, let us start with the one by one. First item, earthwork in excavation in hard gravelly soil. Here number one, here coming to the outer to outer dimension of length here is 2 meter plus 0.4 plus 0.4. In the sense here is from here to here 0.4 and from here to here is 0.4. 2 plus 0.4 plus 0.4, total 2.8 meter. And coming to the breadth here is 0.9 meter plus 0.4 one side and 0.4 and another side, total 0.9 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 equals 1.7 meter. And depth, coming to the depth here, 1.4 plus 1.3, that is 1.7 plus 0.25, 1.95 meter. Here depth equals 0.3 plus 1.4 meter plus 0.25, total 1.95 meter. The quantity nothing but number into 2.8 meter into 1.7 into 1.95 is the 9.28 meter cube is the quantity of earthwork excavation in hard gravelly soil. Second one, foundation bed concrete and floor concrete with the cement concrete 1:3:6. Here there are two portions. One is for foundation, second one here is for sloping portion. Coming to the foundation, the number same, one number. The dimension remains same 2.8 meter. From here to here is 2.8 meter, and breadth remains same 1.7 meter, and thickness here is 0.2 meter. And coming to the sloping portion, only inner to inner dimension. So here inner dimension is 200 centimeter, that is nothing but 2 meter, and breadth is again 0.9 meter. And coming to the depth here is average of this, here is 0 plus 0.1 divided by 2, 0 plus 0.1 divided by 2, 0.05 meter. The total quantity is 1.04 meter cube is the quantity of cement concrete bed. Next, third one, roof covering slab and baffle wall with the precast RCC 1:2:4 roof slab. Coming to the roof slab here, one number is the roof slab, one number, and length is 2.4 meter. There is nothing but clear dimension is 2 meter plus 0.2 plus 2.2, 2.4 meter, and breadth here is 0.9 meter plus 0.2 plus 0.2, so 1.3 meter. The quantity is 3.12 meter square. Then coming to the baffle wall, this one is the baffle wall. Here is the 4 centimeter RCC baffle wall. The length here, number 1, length here 0.9 meter plus 5 centimeter projection on either side, so total length is 1 meter, and depth here is 0.15 plus 0.3, overall depth is 0.45. The quantity is, overall quantity of RCC covering slab equals 3.57 meters square. Then coming to the item number 4, first class brickwork masonry and CM 1:4. So here we can see that long wall and short wall. These two are the short wall, and this one long wall. And here we have two steps, step 1, step 2. Coming to the step 1, this is step 1. We have with the 2 number 1 plus 1, total 2 number of long wall, and dimension, inner dimension is 2 meter plus first step width is 0.3. Here you can see the 0.3 on either side. 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, 2.6 meter, and width of the step is 0.3 and depth is 0.6 meter. Coming to the second step here, the dimension is 2 meter plus 0.2 plus 0.2. However, two numbers 2.4 meter and thickness is 0.2 meter and depth is 1.15 meter. From here to here is 1.15 meter. And coming to the short wall here, again short wall with the 2 numbers. While calculating short wall, we need to consider only inner to inner dimension, that is 0.9 meter for both first step and second step, and width of the first step is 0.3, second step is 0.2, depth is 0.6 and second step is 1.15. Total quantity is 2.77 meter cube is the quantity of first class brick masonry.